Welcome back. It's great to see you here. My name is Luc de Ceuster. I will be your teacher for this course. And of course, I want to thank you because when you're looking at this second video, it means that you subscribe to the course and that you are interested in studying and learning more about discrete mathematics. But let's first give you some information about who I am. I'm Belgian. I studied in Belgium and I obtained my master's degree in civil and mechanical engineering a long time ago, as you may assume, in the Belgian Military Academy in the Polytechnical Division. Other education I have is that I obtained a master's certificate in project management offered by the AT&T School of Business and Technology, and I'm PMP certified since 2001 by the Project Management Institute. The Project Management Institute is a non-profit organization that provides certifications for project professionals. If you're interested in these topics, you can have a look at pmi.org, where you find all the information. We also offer courses in project management, and if necessary, contact us and we will guide you through the process. My professional experience starts already from the time I was studying in the military. I've been an officer for 13 years in the Corps of Engineers and left the Army when I was a captain, when I was commanding a combat engineers unit in the east part of Germany, close to the inner German border. We're talking about the Cold War, where Germany was still divided in West and East Germany. Of course, being part of NATO, I was on the west side of Germany. After that, after leaving the army, I took a job teaching at the Belgian Aviation School, which was in fact the training center for the airline pilots for the Belgian National Airlines Sabena. That doesn't exist anymore. Today we still have a remainder, which is Brussels Airlines. Now, what was I doing there? Basically, I was teaching courses in mathematics, mostly trigonometry. Then I was also teaching basics of instrumentations, pneumatical instrumentations like altimeters, things like that, gyroscopical instruments like gyroscopical compasses, artificial horizon, inertial navigation platforms, also courses related to autopilots, airplane construction and operation, and reciprocating engines. After 7 years, I left the Belgian Aviation School and I continued my career again in a more, let's say, construction area, like my original studies, civil engineering, were about, where I was working for one of the Belgian renowned concrete producing companies, where I was the director of the environmental division, where we were developing, producing and selling products for water purification for household water and for typical, let's say, industrial waters. After 7 years, or approximately, after 2 years, I left that company and continued my career in IBM and AT&T. In IBM and AT&T, I was respectively account executive and project executive in those companies. With AT&T, I was basically dealing with very large international companies managing their wide area networks, providing services, updating the services. It was a very interesting area where I was involved a lot in IT or ICT, communication management too. A lot of the things I learned there are in fact very useful at this moment in the courses I'm teaching. Now, the elements that I mentioned before was my time that I was still living in Belgium. After 7 years of working with AT&T, I was offered the opportunity to leave the company and start my own company, which is called Apracom, Antwerpen and Praga Company, when I moved to the Czech Republic in 2006. From then, I've been developing courses, developing course programs in the area of project management, operations, and finance. From this company, I founded a new concept, which is the cost